Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to get Xray in Minecraft. So let's get started. Type Xray resource pack on your browser. Select this website. Be careful of other websites, it could harm your computer with virus. Now go to file section on the website and download the file that matches with your game version. It will not work if you choose the wrong version. Now copy the downloaded file. Now open File Explorer and type %appdata% on the top bar. Then go to .minecraft folder. Then go to Resource Packs folder. Paste the downloaded file here. Okay, now let's go to the game. Go to the game option. Then select Resource Pack. Now click on Xray Resource Pack. Now you can see everything. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.